F2111. Nice and quick. 21s look awesome. The 11s, they start off with good builds. Like this is really nice. Everyone's moving to the right point and the hips are there. But through the session, we start to get a bit lazy and we start to pick up two ways and end up with some wide build. On the front as well, Nadia, you're a little early finishing your move. I really like basically your move. That's the 180 there. We just need a tiny pause there, just a fraction, Nadia, before you initiate the second move. That one's still acceptable, but it gets a little too far ahead of the game as we go through the session. The move is good, it's just the timing of the move, Nadia. I feel like you need to see a little bit more of a halfway point. That one's quite noticeable there. So it goes 180, and it should be just a fraction here, fraction pause, but before the second move comes in. It's not, it's not so much, it's just a, can you see that? You've already started your move, Nadia. I like the 180 look of it, just that timing. Okay, back pair on the 11s. Let's have a look. One thing I think will really help is, it's okay you guys picking up this grip, but make sure that you're really thinking about getting the hip to the right place. It's very easy to stop once you've got that grip, and then we end up with a little bit of a funky shape at the start of the 11. And then Matthew 1, 2, nice, looking good on the back, guys. That same staging is what we're looking for on the front. It goes 1, actually it wasn't there on that one. So it looks like Yora's just a little bit ahead of Matthew here. You can see that. So it should be, if we look at an earlier one, see there, yeah, see how Yora, see how Matthew gets through. You're just rotating with him, and then you do your move. And then on the next one, you get ahead of Matthew, and that's partly because of that early build. This is what I was saying at the beginning of the session, where you guys focus too much on picking up two ways. There we go, two ways being built quite wide. Now you bring those two ways together, and you're not in the right place or in the right feeling to make the move. Now Matthew's stretched out, he's struggling to start his move. Yora's ahead of the game, and Yora's coming around the corner. So just be patient there, Yora. So timing. Well, actually build and timing. Get the hips to the right place. Fun session, guys. Fun 10 rounds. And yeah, I'll work on the longer term plan leading up to the Finland FITL. And yeah, basically, well, actually, the goal is now to have a look at everything in those slots with a little bit more time to tidy up the blocks. Let me know if you've got any questions.